Hi, this is Mrs. Donahue. I just want to give you some Wi-Fi tips in case you're home and having trouble with your Wi-Fi. So the first thing is you can click down on the Wi-Fi button and you can see that I am connected to Xfinity Wi-Fi, and that's just because I logged onto my Xfinity account, and that's kind of a new thing Xfinity has. But I have other networks that I could go to in my area. So Greyhounds is actually the name of the network at my house. So I can type in my password and I can hit connect. And now it's trying to, you can see it's trying to connect to it. And now I'm connected instead to Greyhounds. Sometimes you might have it and you have it already remembered in your network, but it's still not working. So you can do another thing. You can click on the name of the network. And when you're here, you can disconnect from a network and re-add into it. Now this one automatically connects to the network. And what's nice about that is I can, when I'm at school, it'll automatically connect to the sandwich. When I'm home, it'll automatically connect to my Greyhounds. And when I'm traveling, it'll try and automatically connect to any Xfinity Wi-Fi since that's what I have. So I kind of do like that feature, but I can click disconnect from that and we'll disconnect from that particular network. And now look what happens. It automatically adds me into the next one that I have. So there's another option. Sometimes you have to totally not remember the network. So this happens when I go to like college campuses. It does kind of weird things because they change the password regularly. Like I went to UMass Boston this summer and the password that I had used in the fall was now changed. And so I had to forget that network and add a new one. So if you go down to preferred networks, and this one is the library's Chromebook. So there's other things on here that are not mine. So let's say I wanted to go over, if I wanted to forget this public Wi-Fi, I click on that. And if I wanted to not remember that one, so I'm just going to disconnect all the ones that are not associated with me. And now I just have my preferred networks. So the other thing that sometimes you can just do is turn your Wi-Fi on and off. So if you click on that, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi. Let's say if I click here, I can just turn my Wi-Fi totally off and then sometimes turn it back on and then restart my machine. So using those different techniques, you should be able to get on your Wi-Fi. And if you have any trouble, definitely send me a message and I will help you out. Thanks.